Hey, what's up, Free Bands and Boza? I'm working on some Eagle Freak stuff. I'm trying to rescue. Oh crap! No, this is on GitHub. I don't need to go here. I think I'm gonna work on the site for a bit, and then I'm gonna work on some Ranger Steve stuff. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Need to get some old pictures that I was using. Logo. Screenshot. There you are. I want this one. I think this is the modified version. Okay, that's good. Oh. Oh, so this site is it's like a buyer's guide. It's this buyer's guide for airsoft, basically. And so me and a friend are starting this, essentially it's a business where we're renting out a warehouse so people can come play airsoft. And part of that is we want people to be able to share their builds so we can help them with stuff. And another part of this is that I'm practicing with React.js and React Router and building a spa with React, which I've never done before.
We gave him a chance.
That we did.
I'd say we were more than fair.
But now we indulge.
I don't remember who told me, but I bought the
And his liver.
Yours.
Mine.
Let's pull him in and slit his belly open.
I bought Loopback. I know it's super easy to work with the music and the mic. Like routing all of the music together is so much easier now. Alright, let's try out a couple backgrounds and see which ones look the best.
Stay there and cook. When we kill him slow. For me too, I can see it. Look how you bleed for me. Wet, ready, red, wanting.
That's pretty sweet. We're gonna stick with this one for now.
Let's pull him in and slit his belly open.
And when we kill him slow.
I'm gonna optimize the image. Oh, I need background. Oh, it's already optimized. Okay, sweet. So,
I have to feed. Stay there and cook.
boom. There we go. That looks good. Okay, so I need to fix the link render function because it's including parameters that are empty. I'm gonna modify. Okay, so get object params. Okay, so if this has no value, I want you to just continue. I don't want that to be a part of the string that's entered there. Got me something weird going on here. Accessory ID is empty. The last one is a 3. That's weird how that gets... There it is. There we go. Okay, so let's do let value equal this will clear, or this will remove all empty strings. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully I removed all, I trimmed all the commas. Yeah. Good there. Yeah, they hide all the... So I fixed the link that you showed your friends, so we're gonna commit and push that. Uh-oh. I don't know if I did that in the right order, but hopefully that works out. Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure this is working right. Is the audio good? Testing 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure this music is still kind of loud. There. Or maybe we can put on something else. Something people... No. There, okay. So now I need to hide the buttons when there's a URL parameter in place. When I render, oh, add accessories. So if but if we have no product and this dot state dot is product URL, we're going to return oh, actually we don't need that much stuff. All we need is this. Ah, no. Skip my break. Skip my break. Okay. Alright, let's see how this works. Oh no, we got a bug. Unexpected token on line 94. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Let's see how this works out. You know what? I'm just gonna have it like return null if no product, and this will be so much easier because it'll make it shorter when you send it to someone.
DJ Uragan featuring Plus Steve, Street Scientist Mixtape 2010. Dig it.
No. wrong? This is... Oh, I'm not returning null, that's what. Hey, what's up, Case? I'm not... Just a heads up, I'm not really doing anything serious. I'm just sort of hanging out and developing. I wish there were easier conditionals, like if ng show in React.js is what I want. Oh, you know what I could do is, this is where you extract out into components. So we do something like build, remove product, button.js. There we go. And then you do something like export function. Trace, are you working on anything right now? Oh, there's no need to do that. You can do this thing. Ah, no, that is the closing tab. There. Actually, this could probably just be self-closing. I don't know if I can do a self-closing tag. Alright, let's import our new button. This is probably a good idea so that... Wow, what's happening? Okay, so we need product on, remove, product, click. So we're gonna do this. Go back. There we go. Okay, so handle remove product. Here we're going to have a function called handle remove product click, and that's where I call the parent function, pass the product into it. Just like that. Okay, so we have a bunch of errors going on here. Unexpected token, line 17, export default. I think I did it in the wrong order, yeah. Handle remove product was not defined because it's this. Oh. You always have to import React at the top of every component. Now this needs to be hidden. State.is product URL. Yeah, okay, so let's call this hide is hidden. And if is hidden, Prop type style. This would be an object. I can't remember what that's supposed to be. Prop type style func. Prop type style bool. Yeah, looks good. Awesome. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so we're gonna hide things when product IDs are in URL. I think this is too much. I need like something more, I love this stuff. This will work for me. I wonder what this does. Monitor audio. Is that doing anything?
Now, if you get with yourself and you find out that you are all of yourself, a very strange thing happens. You find that your body knows that you are one with the universe. Because your physical organism is one continuous process with everything else that's going on.
That's really cool.
Just as the waves are continuous with the ocean, your body is continuous with the total energy system of the cosmos. And it's all you. If you think that you are only inside your skin, you define yourself as one very complicated little curlicue, way out on the edge of that explosion, way out in space and way out in time. Billions of years ago, you were a
Check
big
the
bang.
live site.
But now you're a complicated human being.
There we go.
And then we cut ourselves off, like this, and don't feel that we're still the Big Bang. But you are. Depends how you define yourself.
Okay.
You are actually, if this is the way things started, if there was a Big Bang in the beginning, you're not something that is a result of the Big Bang. On the end of the process. You are still the process. You are the Big Bang, the original force of the universe coming on as whoever you are.
Oh, I need to hide this. Did I not push?
See, when I meet you, I see not just what you define yourself as, Mr. So-and-so, Miss So-and-so, Mrs. So-and-so. I see every one of you as the primordial energy of the universe coming on at me in this particular way.
Come on. Ah. Is this still like too loud? Hold on, I need to do an audio check. Audio check. Audio check. Oh, that's super loud. Audio check. Oh, that's super loud. Audio check. Oh, that's... 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 That's a problem. The audio... Oh, you know what I could do? I should probably put it into a separate... Here, I'll put it... I need to make my mic separate. Okay, so this should fix it now. I have my mic on one channel and I have the music on another. Okay, so let's try this. Yeah. Bring you down a tiny bit. Testing 1 2 3. 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 There we go. I think I'm good now. Okay. Oh, sorry. There was.
But we've learned to define ourselves as separate from it.
Just trying to fix my audio. I'm trying to deploy code and at the same time fix the audio. I was having some weird issues with it. Okay, we're programming. Back to, okay, so this is good now. I fixed it. So I'm going to get rid of that bar.
If you can understand this, you're going to have no further problems.
Let me check OBS real quick. Okay, cool. So you just came in. I'm pretty sure I killed my listener base because I had the music up super loud by accident through the loopback program I'm using.
Another word for a thing. It doesn't tell you anything about what you mean by a thing.
We need to hide the info bar or the link bar. So if this.state.is product IDs in the URL, we're going to return null. What? I don't have to...
Finally, a very smart girl from Italy who was in the group said a thing is a noun. And she was quite right. A noun isn't a part of nature, it's a part of speech. There are no nouns in the...
There we go.
There are no...
Hopefully there should be more people in here now that I'm not destroying.
The world is wiggle. The clouds, mountains, trees, people
Oh, so they keep...
are all wiggle.
Okay, okay. No, I'm gonna redo this. Hold on. We want this so that other people can share it. Okay, I think we're good now. If I do that, there's still that. And if I just do list, it should be working off local storage. Okay, perfect. We're going to add this, show the link bar when there are IDs in the URL.
Only when human beings get working at things, they build buildings in straight lines and try and make out that the world isn't really wiggly. But here are we sitting in this room all building in straight lines, but each one of us is as wiggly as all get out. Now then.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna move our Facebook stuff to the left.
Pretty difficult, isn't it? You try and pick up a fish in your hands, and the fish is wiggly and it slips out. What do you do to get hold of the fish? You use a net. And so the net is the basic thing we have for getting hold of the wiggly world.
That's not what I
So
wanted.
if you want to get hold of this wiggle, you've got to put a net over
App. There we go.
and
Maybe.
I can number the holes in a net. So many holes up,
Yeah, here it
so
is.
many holes across. And if I can number these holes, I can count exactly where each wiggle is in terms of a hole in that net. And that's the beginning of calculus, the art of measuring the world. But in order to do that, I've got to break up the wiggle into bits. And I've got to call this a specific bit, and this the next bit of the wiggle, and this the next bit, and this the next bit of the wiggle. And so these bits
Need to put our meetup.
or events. Bits of wiggles.
Someday there will be a login and password, but not today. Just messed something up, and I'm not sure what I broke. Oh no, this is my store that I'm making right now. A friend and I are starting an airsoft group, and this is, oh, it's because I'm using this, that's why. We're starting an airsoft group, and this is one step of the, or one part of it, I would call it. The other part is we're renting out a warehouse to go airsofting in. This is going to be the e-commerce bit.
Which I mark out in order to talk about the wiggle, in order to measure it, and therefore in order to control it. But in nature, in fact, in the physical world, the wiggle isn't bitted. Like you don't get a cut-up fryer out of an egg, but you have to cut the chicken up in order to eat it. You bite it, but it doesn't come bitten. So the world doesn't come thinged. It doesn't come invented. You and I are all as much continuous with the physical universe as a wave is continuous with the ocean.
Don't know why there's this padding. Oh, it's probably this. Okay, so is there a... Right on, man. Talk to you later. Just lots of work. Lots and lots of work.
The ocean waves and the universe peoples.
There it is. I think that's good enough for now. I'm gonna do some Ranger Steve stuff now. Okay.
And saying, hi, I'm here. But we, our consciousness, the way we feel and sense our existence, being based on a myth that we are made, that we are parts, that we are things, our consciousness has been influenced so that each one of us does not feel that. We feel, we have been hypnotized, literally hypnotized, by social convention into feeling and sensing that we exist only inside our skins. That we are not the original bang, but just something out on the end of it. And therefore we are scared stiff. My wave is going to disappear. Scared stiff. And I'm going to die. And that would be awful. We've got a mythology going now, which, as Father Maskell put it, we are nothing but something that happens between the maternity ward and the crematorium. And that's it. And therefore everybody feels unhappy and miserable. You know, this is what people really believe today. You may go to church, you may say you believe in this, that, and the other, but you don't.
Time for some Ranger Steve. Da da. I forget what that starts on. At some point I need to convert this to use Adonis.js. I just haven't wanted to yet. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is start removing references to Buffalo Invasion.
If you really believed in Christianity, you'd be screaming in the streets. But nobody does. You'd be taking full-page ads in the paper every day. You would have the most terrifying television programs. The churches would be going out of their minds if they really believe what they teach. But they don't. They think they ought to believe what they teach. They believe they should believe, but they don't believe it, because what we really believe is the fully automatic model.
Headings, Ranger Steve.
And that is our basic, plausible common sense.
Oh god, do I still have a blog on this thing? Holy shit, I do. Okay, we're gonna ignore all of that for now because I'm not working on that. Okay. So what does it say when I'm on DPO? It just says DPO. Okay, Ranger Steve game. Okay. Boom. We're gonna remove that. Oh, you know what I need is a package for the nunchucks. Ooh. Oh, please work. Yes.
There was a joke in Punch sometime many years ago, I remember, it was of an army doctor interviewing a private. The private says, "Every time I shake my leg like this, it hurts." He said, "God damn it, don't shake it."
So in this, I'm removing all references to,
There's a subtle temptation.
God, free bands, we haven't played in a long time
Like
on
if
this.
you have a filling out of a tooth.
I'm removing all references to, I can't think with this music. It's like, he's talking and I'm trying to think. So I just had some big games with some people the other day. So I had an intervention. They basically told me that I needed to hurry the fuck up and finish. So that's what you're seeing. Alright, hold on. I need to get some coffee. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm listening to the... Oh, I didn't know Pulsate stream music. Okay. We're gonna get out of Eagle Freak. See if anyone... That's cool. Jesus, people are just dickholes on Reddit. Okay. Where's local host? Like that. So one thing I don't like about this is I hate how I did that. I want to go, okay, so where's my socket? God, a lot of this needs to be redone because it was just, let's find 10 people. Meta player health. What? Where's, okay, so available rooms where player's length is less than... Oh. I'm not sure that this was working correctly. Okay, so let's do like one. Only one player can be... Need to have hyperterm out with node open. And the one thing I want to do is drop the max number of players. It needs to be 5 max. So we're going to do that. I need to change the map sample. This is freaking why we're always... Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna jump in here. See, this doesn't even tell you the... It's interesting. Okay. Whoa, that's gonna be super loud. Okay. Yeah, my room separation algorithm is not working. They did not... Okay, something's wrong. This is... Oh, you know what it is? It's because object.keys... Whoa. It's like circumventing this totally. Oh my god, that's because that's not a thing. This is old code, that's why this is happening. So we do rooms dot players like this. And now I have it set to only 1, so I was playing this the other day, and I think the optimum number was something like, I think it was only 5 people. It was like the max, unless they have a direct link to the game. Available rooms, none. Spicy goat, 3. Itchy mouse, spotty yak. There we go. So we're going to change this. If it is less than 6, or if it is less than or equal to 5 people, allow for it. Hold on, I need to go close a door on a cockatiel. Okay. Surprise! Robin is in the house. Dude, I bought that loopback program. If you want to use it, let me know. I got you covered. Okay, so I'm gonna close this guy out. We're gonna No, I bought this thing called this thing. It's $100, but they made it work really, really good. Like you can they just did a fantastic job of routing all the audio. Okay, so I'm just gonna push this. And honestly, I am less. Oops. Oh, dude, you got a new phone? What kind of phone did you get? That's awesome. The one thing is also people die really freaking fast in this, and I need to lower the amount of damage all the guns do. Like, you would spawn and just get blasted away. I have to fix that. Nexus 6P? Nice, dude. I have a friend with one, and I love it. I'm super jealous of you. Dude, I'm looking through my old Socket.io code, and it's just awful, man. It's literally bad stuff. But it's like it worked really good though, which is also, I don't know, it was simple to write, and it was pretty good, so can't say I'm complaining. So hungry. Oh god, I forgot that, I did that dumb thing where actually, it's not dumb. It's actually really good. We go here. Ah. We'll push that, but before I do anything, I need to lower, we need to lower, like, the... Frick. I'm gonna add the donate thing to Patreon on this, and eventually there will be ads, but I'm gonna do the Patreon thing too. I need to do that. I'm gonna add weapons real quick. I'm gonna lower all damage by like 4, I think. I can't remember where I keep all of this though. Damage. There. Get back in here. Okay. Let's go to our local host. This needs to get cleaned up. Not sure how to clean that up yet. I know. Let's go to home.nunjucks. We're gonna split this by doing. It's kind of frustrating. I can't figure out how to make Emmet work in Visual Studio, and that is annoying. Wait, why isn't this... I don't know why that's not working, but I'll work on it in a second. Oh, I'm not in React.js. I'm in a nunjuk file, that's why. Nunjucks is it's a new templating language that came from Firefox, and Adonis.js uses it to power their templates. You know, it's like Blade to Laravel, Nunjucks to Adonis, but Adonis did not make Nunjucks. But it's super nice. It's way better than EJS, Jade, or any of those. I love this one. Much better. Ah, I don't like that either. You know what it is? I think it's because I've got this... It's just like the way the text is stacked or something. I don't even think... Can you jump in this? I don't even think you can jump with W anymore. I think I... Oh, no, you can't. Never mind. Okay. So we'll go back. Woo, there it is. Okay. Not to the game, but to that. I need to change that background. I still don't like this, but I don't know what else to do. I think if I listed out stuff, like, we have expenses, Hmm. Just doesn't matter. I think the problem is just that it's like it's just not centered, I think is what bothers me. Oh yeah, here it is, align middle. How the hell do I get align middle to work? What is this? What is that related to? Oh. I like the hide output, show input thing. I think that's cool. So this guy is dead now. What's funny is the audio driver totally crashes in this game. Ah! Alright, that's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Okay. Oh, you know what else I need to change? Crap, I'm gonna have to redo a bunch of screenshots too. Gotta edit that game dev thing. Where's edit page info? Huh, that's weird. So it looks like there's a bug in this. Oh well. Well, I don't need to work on that for right now. See how big this is. What's that margin bottom? It's just 20 pixels. Oh, my line height's all weird. That's why. Oh, here. That's Pulse 8 going on in the background. Those guys are freaking awesome. How does this guy do it? There we go. Oh, sorry there. Yeah, so when you hit here, I'm gonna merge this right now so we can give it a shot at playing. I use Phaser.io. I use React.js for a lot of the interface stuff. Phaser.io manages the canvas interactions. Confirm merge. Yeah, lots of React.js, Redux for the state management. What else? What else? What else? That's all. Oh yeah. Actually, I forgot that I put it down there. No, I've actually decided that I don't really want to make this a, what do you call it? I don't want this to be, I don't want to force, like, money onto this. I want this to be very, this isn't the thing I want to be like, hey, I want to charge money for. I think I've come to the realization that I just want to do this for fun, and that's it. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I do need help with the server and asset cost stuff. This game was actually really expensive to develop. I probably could have made it a lot cheaper, but whatever. It's really fun to look at. That's the best part. Whatever. Overview. Ooh, there we go. So I'm looking for the next bug I'm gonna fix here. I think it's gonna be the reloading stuff, because I kind of half-assed that a little bit. What we got going on here? Oh, the other bug is that you can fall through stuff. That's irritating. Oh, here, let's pause this guy. I want to. Okay. That's actually what I'm going to do first. Okay, so we're going to lower the damage on all guns so that battles last a little bit longer. I was playing with some friends and we just died so fast that you couldn't do anything. Yeah, I guess I'm going to have to be in here. Okay. So I'm going to lower the damage on everything by... So if you have 100 health divided by 24, that means it takes 4.16 shots from the AK to... Or 5 shots from the AK to kill someone. If it's 18, it takes 6 shots. Let's see what that looks like. 6 shots from an AK-47. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're at 21. Jeez. 7 shots. Wait, what is 7? There. Alright, 7 shots. Okay, I'm going to lower everything by 7. So 24... Oh, god damn it. Yeah, 17. 17. The AUG. Damage goes down to 13. The Barrette goes to 81. That does not really do anything, but... Desert Eagle. 43 minus 7. 36. That would be 49. Seven. 11. See you, Robin. Have fun, man. Have fun with the misses. Well... That is if you're married. 9 RPG remains at that. 23 for the Silver Baller. Scorpion drops down to, like, we'll call that 10. Okay. Yeah, right? That's funny. Have fun, man. See ya. Okay, I just dropped the damage on all the guns. We have fun with the GIF or PNG. What? What do you mean? Okay, so I lowered the damage on the guns. The next thing would be I need to update we're gonna do some what do you call it, reloading in the UI down at the bottom right. You don't know how this stuff is drawn. Empathy, what do you mean? How this stuff is drawn? Aw. This isn't working out. What was it? When I was playing with this, like when you switch to the P90, I need to make this more incremental too. I need to drop, I'm gonna drop these, likely. Go here, and I want this to be like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 kind of thing. Or maybe even remove it. The Ranger guy, is it like different picks or like old? Oh yeah, so stuff still operates on the concept of sprites. So Ranger Steve, the guy, he's made up of like 8 sprites, and I stitch them all together with physics so that when he's walking around and moving, like all the moving parts, all the running, his legs are one sprite, but his chest, head, and arms and gun are all separate sprites. And the fire that comes out of his shoes, that's one sprite. I'll work on that thing in a sec. I want to do this. I want to fix the ammo thing because that was really irritating. We're just gonna make it a progress bar, I think. Or not. Hell. I know what we're gonna do. HUD ammo. We're gonna remove this completely because in reality, it doesn't help you all that much. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna open up our SAS, and I'm gonna go into HUD, look for the ammo remaining. Where are you? There we go. This is unneeded now. I'm gonna drop this to like 100. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's looking better. I'm gonna do. Let's do 9. Well, actually, I can. No, I can't. I have all the controls disabled. $10.10 works for me. Okay, so now what I need is like a way of telling the user that you're reloading. Look for a reloading icon. Oh, you know what? I could have this thing spinning. Just have it go to font, awesome icons. There it is. Oh, so it's just FA spin. So if I wanted, here, this is the one I want. Okay, so if ammo, see if we can get this to work now. Huh. Damn it. Okay. Oops, is equal to or less than. There. Okay, we'll see how this goes. As I'm using Vimperator, I tried running your web game, and then pressing D so many times I ended up deleting all my web page. What the hell is Vimperator? That's hilarious. Ah! Now I get it. Oh, class name. Damn it. Sadness. Slimy Otter 88. Nothing. Do something ridiculous like that, and then we're gonna what the hell is this? Oh, you know what it is? I don't have Font Awesome installed, I bet you, on this page. That's the problem. And really all I need is a loading. So bad. Okay. Oh, I learned all this by myself. But it's not like I learned it, you know, in an evening or something. It took me a long time to learn this stuff. But I definitely taught myself from the internet, just like most people do, I think. Oh, there we go. Okay. I got it. And it looks really kind of good, actually. Is that the one I want? Okay, we need to jump into this. By the way, we've done... I do a lot of... I don't know. I'd have to say my biggest thing is just reading documentation and going to Stack Overflow a lot, though. That's really where a lot of it happens. Okay. Hey, what's up, Sharp Coder? That game gives me good memories. Oh yeah, dude, this Ranger Steve is based on a lot of old games, basically. I took the best of the games that I really liked when I was a kid, and I just built something out of it. Stuff's super expensive to make, though, to be honest. Oops. Hello, Sharp Coder. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's just see how this works out. Why not using TypeScript instead of JavaScript? Because TypeScript generates 1,000 files. I don't know, I tried to use it and it turned out to be a pain in the ass when I was trying to install it. Ooh, that's so much better. So much better. Both of these need to be pushed in the center more. No. No, they don't. Let's see what this looks like. How did you know all the game structure? I mean, what would all the JS SAS compass contains? Oh, so a lot of this, honestly, a lot of this is structured like it's structured just like a website. And so I sort of just made this the way I would make a website, and it works. Okay, so when you push R, I need to set the... A lot of this comes from experience too. Like I've been doing this for 6 or 7 years now. So I have a ton of experience in this kind of stuff. But I'm also like constantly experimenting with new things and new ways of doing things, and that helps a lot. You just gotta keep programming, and you'll get it, man. It's just a matter of practice. It really, like, I've put in my 10,000 hours to become sort of a master at programming. I've done this stuff so much that I can put together things really quickly, and it's because, like, if you know life programming, yeah, literally, I eat websites practice and more practice. Like, I know-lifed programming for years, and that's why I'm able to just put together something like this so quickly. It's like I sacrificed a lot of relationships in order to get good at programming, to be very honest. A healthier way of doing it, now, like, looking back, a healthier way of doing it would have been to just pick a hard project and build it over time with mentorship. If I had a mentor, I would have been able to do so much better without screwing up my life, basically. Or like without sacrificing like your social life. Balance. Figuring out how to balance things. But also, like, build something you like building. Don't build boring stuff where you're gonna hate programming. Where do I store this? God, my favorite thing that I learned recently was Redux. I just freaking love all of it. Oh, here it is reloading. So we're gonna stop people from switching weapons. So if you are currently reloading, you cannot switch your gun. And that should be good enough, I think. Yeah, exactly. Actually, I feel like you should be able to switch. We're gonna change this. We're gonna change how this works. I want to be able to switch a gun while I'm reloading. We're going to change this to set secondary is there we go. So set primary is reloading. Set secondary is reloading. Yeah. I'm gonna find some new stuff. Alright, hopefully this is good. Okay, back here. There. And then, so I've got a secondary is reloading. Ugh. Ether Nano, that sounds pretty awful, man. It sounds like it's a loading, or like sounds like a learning project to see if the tech is worth investing into or something. You should check out Node.js and React.js. I think you'd like it better. That's the other thing, you need to pick fun tools to work with, otherwise you're gonna hate yourself. God, I don't know what to do with this. I've got that. HUD ammo. What I need to do is something like something like this. If current, oh here, if current weapon is equal to, hey.
Are you in the
Oh.
dirt?
Hold on, I'm gonna jump off, guys. We'll talk to you later.